What's boppin', Jimbo? We got a new thing today. What the fuck?
I ordered this stuff off CJ Pony Parts. The brand is Anchor Room. They make a bunch of tints for like a bunch of different cars. I got the full tint kit, fog lights, headlights, reflectors, pretty much everything's gonna be tinted.
To make it official, buy badges.
We have the same tint kit on that car. Buy a new one for this one.
All right, boys, we're starting on the back.
How do you know they're boys?
Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, yeah.
Yo, click that send button real quick.
Should I? It's supposed to go like that.
Just wait till it's delivered, honestly.
What?
Oh.
What do we do about a bubble?
Oh, I think you install these wet.
Get out of here, mate.
Yo, Gabe, what's your name?
Hey, peace off. Mate, you take the piece out of my name, mate. Fuck off. So, in the middle of these little light things, there's like just some plastic stuff going on with the taillight, so it's not gonna be perfect. This man is actually on the fucking ground right now.
Anything for the shot. This is sick, too. Come on, drip. Yeah, clean that up.
It's dripping out of the exhaust.
Oh, baby, I hope you like cream pies.
You want to just do this one? I'll do the other one.
Fuck you. Come on, you're on public road. Fucking people honking at each other in the middle of the road. Oh, hello.
Gabe.
You just take it off?
Dude, this is not working, bro.
All right, we're wrapping up the rear end. We're gonna start on the front reflectors. Bright ass, ugly ass.
See this little towel?
Just wiped it off.
Look at that. Ooh, that looks cool though.
We did the reflector right there, and now all we gotta do is the headlights, the fog lights,
And then the badges.
this has gotta be perfect.
Should've got yellow.
Yellow fog lights?
No, I'm
That's
just
disgusting.
kidding. It's so
Actually,
gross.
don't fuck with that. Yellow fog lights. Get out of here.
Get all like the edges. This is the difference between both sides.
Oh yeah. Alright, Jimbos, I'm out of here. Fucking hold me like that, weirdo.
We're not tinting the fog lights. We're gonna replace them very soon. Sell them off. All blacked out, buddy.
Damn, that was good.
Shit, that is scary. Like, I'm not buying no drugs if that fucking shit pulled up.
Alright, got all this done. Tinted the headlights, tinted the reflectors, tinted the taillights, third brake light. Yesterday we washed the car, took off the 5.0 badges, as you can see. Now there's some holes for it. Here's what we got to replace the chrome badges and black badges.
I was in a bit of a disagreement. Since we have these chrome lug nuts, I thought the chrome 5.0 badge looked sick. And if we were gonna wrap the car, we would have used the black one. But he decided, I mean, it's his car.
Look how much nicer. How's that look?
Alright, it's the next day, fuckers. We just completed the GT. Now we've got the Golf, so we actually already did the front. So we got Laminix headlight and taillight tints. We have premium auto styling, reflector deletes. These eyelids actually came from Amazon. Looks mean as hell. So we'll show you both the cars. We already started on the rear. We just have the inside ones to go, obviously. so funny like that. Alright, it's just got really freaking dark. We just finished one. Can't see, obviously. We're gonna continue this in the shop. Can't even really see, but there you go. That's your comparison. They're fucking dark. Bob and Jimbo's. We finished up the tints and everything. We're gonna show you right now. We got both cars lined up. So just a quick overview. We got the Laminex headlight and taillight tints. Those were about like 50 bucks each. I got them on sale. They're kind of pricey, but worth it. Then we got these reflector deletes were $40 for the set. These are really nice on the back because they loop all around. And then these were from Amazon, so they're only 20 bucks. But everything came out really nicely. It was my first time dealing with any type of vinyl, and the Laminex tints are really nice, but it's thick, so it's pretty hard to work with. There's gonna be like errors, like we're not perfect. There's like little blemishes. Yours have a little bit of some bubble because of the taillights are like hard to get over. But it is what it is.
Sitting in the dirt.
You live and you learn. With the rear kit, it actually came with just luck on the reflector deletes as well, so you got all the reflectors. Basically, it's just a tint, but whatever.
What's the next mod?
I'm getting Bilstein struts, actually, hopefully soon. This thing is sitting on lowering springs. I'm gonna combine the two. It's way too bouncy, so we're gonna get Bilstein V8 struts. Then we're gonna get camber plates for the front from 034 Industries, and then we're gonna get strut tops on the back. So it's gonna be really well. And then I need an air intake, and it's power time. So this thing is nearly murdered out. The only thing you would need after like your taillights, most people do the windows first. I just haven't gone to it, but definitely is gonna be the windows. But as you see here, this thing's all bent up. And there's a surprise in the top factor.
So I also got a tint kit. Mine's from Anchor Room. I got it on like CJ Pony Parts or LMR, two good sites. But essentially it's a full tint kit. It's for everything. Some things I decided not to do, some things I decided to do. So here we have the inner inserts on the taillights. I didn't do the full taillight because I just didn't want to disrespect the taillight gang on the 1314s because these are the best taillights, so I didn't want to mess with them too much. So I just did the inserts, this third brake light, that reflector, and then if you come around the front, this yellow reflector, which is super ugly. Headlights, obviously. I left the fog lights not tinted. They look nice though. I like.
I'm gonna take them out soon.
Yeah, new grill, hopefully.
Of course, he also got the black badges. That'd be another way to do it. One of the first mods I actually ever did were black badges on the Golf. This is supposed to be chrome, but it's black. You can get it anywhere from 20 to 40 bucks, depending on where you get it. Same thing for the rear one. The rear one is a bitch to like deal with, but you'll figure it out. You can figure it out. You can do it. We did it. You can do it. We'll see you in the 9 time.